when you're being extremely detailed in stalking this person, trying to figure out what it is they do, right, to get this reality that they have, they are literally matching the frequency of that desire you want. Now, this is crazy, but it's real. They are literally matching, like, frequency wise. They are vibrating at this rate that has got them at this lifestyle that they live that you want. You want it. You want it. And so you got to figure out, what are they doing every single day in their day-to-day living that is causing them to vibrate at this level that then attracts that reality to them. How you what, fam? It's your girl Connie, and you are back watching another episode of A Freed Mind, where we take back control of our minds and our reality. Now, if you are new here, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Where you are right now, you've manifested it. Everything that we think about, that we give our energy to, we're working a manifestation towards that becoming the future, towards that becoming our reality right now. Now, with me saying that you've manifested where you are right now, is me simply saying that since you manifested where you are right now, that means that you can manifest where you're going to be. You can manifest your future just how you manifested this present. So, like me personally, I manifested a basic life. Do I like it? No, I don't. It's basic. It's boring. I don't do nothing. I don't go outside. I want to be outside. I'm trying to be, adventuring stuff. Spontaneous. Let's go on a trip. You know what I mean? Like, come on now, give me something. You know what I mean? Like, I literally can remember the moment that I manifested my reality right now. I was at work, a studio movie girl, and I just constantly kept thinking and seeing in my mind visions of me having my own place and it being decorated how I wanted. Having a car, a nice car, which I do. It's outside, parked, okay. And then me having a stable job where I don't have to worry about necessarily living paycheck to paycheck or even worrying about having a job at all. I literally manifested this reality that I'm in. And I remember when I was doing it because I was constantly thinking about it. And to look back over all those years, I can see how I put actionable steps into creating this reality that I live in now. Is anything wrong with this reality that I'm living right now? Absolutely not. It's great. I'm very appreciative. I'm very thankful for the lifestyle that I have. Do I want more? You got dang Skippy. Okay. Yeah, no, nothing's in there. Okay, whatever. Now, this is how you manifest the life that you want. This is how you manifest the reality that you actually want. Now, I'm going to say this, so I don't want y'all to be mad. But this is it. I'm going to tell you. Okay, first things first. You have to do some serious research and find a person who is living that desired reality that you want. It could be multiple people, but you really want to just find one good person. Find one person. That could be on YouTube, Instagram, whoever, in your real life, family, friends, whoever. A stranger, it could be, it don't even matter. And that's what you're going to do. Stalk them. You're going to stalk them. I said what I said. I'm going to say it again. You're going to stalk this person. Now, don't get caught, okay, stalking people. And don't be creepy. I don't mean the necessarily like, you hiding in the bushes stalking this person. I mean, if you got to hide in the bushes, do you, boo. I'm not telling you to do that. But I'm just saying, you gotta stalk this person, and not in a creepy way. If they're on social media, then that means that you can simply just follow their lifestyle of how they move. Like, really get detailed into how they move. What do they do when they first wake up? What is their morning routine like? What do they eat? What do they put their attention on? What do they do throughout their day? Like, really getting detailed into what does this person do, right? Because doing that, it's all about the little tiny things. It's all about the little tiny small stuff that comes together and make a whole. When you're being extremely detailed in stalking this person, trying to figure out what it is they do, right, to get this reality that they have, they are literally matching the frequency of that desire you want. Now, this is crazy, but it's real. They are literally matching, like, frequency wise. They are vibrating at this rate that has got them at this lifestyle that they live that you want. You want it. You want it. And so you got to figure out what are they doing every single day in their day-to-day living that is causing them to vibrate at this level that then attracts that reality to them. Don't nobody call the police on me, please. Okay, I'm just trying to give y'all some real advice. This is real advice, and it's gonna help you. Okay, you need to find somebody and stalk them. Get all the details you can get. You gotta low key, like, don't become them, but then pay attention to their perspectives. You have to shift your perspective, not to necessarily their perspective as if you're like trying to be them, but shifting your perspective in a way of being more optimistic, but then also being able to let go of old perspectives so that way you can be introduced to new perspectives that's, resonates with that desired reality. So, like, don't be so stuck on, oh, well, I don't brush my teeth this way. I only do it this way. That's not going to work for me. You know what I mean? Like, something stupid like that. Like, don't be so stuck on what you're used to. Because obviously what you're used to, baby, is gotten you where you at right now, and it's not working for you to get to the next level. So, this is why you need to change your perspective. Change your perspective, change your thoughts, change your reality. Quit playing. It's simple. It's simple, baby. And finally, okay, once you stalk them, you change your perspective, the next third thing to do is going to be to take actionable steps to that desired reality. Now, me personally, I'm going to use myself as an example because why not, right? Why not? I'm going to be a podcaster. I am a podcaster, right? I do podcasts. What type of actionable steps can I take to grow my podcast? I can get in a real studio, which I'm not going to say too much. Start reaching out to guests to be on my show more, because I've done that before, but I need to do it more. Speak about my podcast out in public. Talk to people. Go to networking events and put the brand out there. So with that being said, that's pretty much like it. It's not that hard. Find a person, stalk them, change your perspective, and then take actionable steps. You got to integrate your mind, body, soul, spirit into the transformation of energy so that way you can manifest this life into your reality. And hey, this might be wrong for me to say about telling y'all to stalk people, but it's what you need to do. It's what needs to be done. Like, if you don't like the word stalk, well, then just look at someone's blueprint. Copy someone else's blueprint that is doing exactly what it is you're doing. Because when I say that they are literally vibrating at the rate that you want to vibrate at, because the rate that you're vibrating at right now is what you have attracted in your life right now. So I hope this video actually helps somebody in the future or even right now in this moment. But make sure you guys, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel so that way you'll be ready to tap in when it's time to tap in. And I'm going to see y'all next week.